Hi, I'm Tytus, and this is LiWen.
From Dance Insanity.
And today,
we're doing a Cuban rock swivel combination drill.
Why is this particular step so important?
Because we want to work our hip action, which you will cover in the Cuban rocks. And then we want to work the swivels, because swivels are what you need every time you change direction. All right, let's get to the lesson.
Let's do that. Okay, we're gonna do the Cuban rock swivel. Let's have LiWen demonstrate. Collect all your energy, all your power, and stand on that left foot. Then you go side to right. That's the footwork. Replace back to the left, back on the right foot, and then swivel. It's just gonna be a half turn. Boom, and then we go side left, side right, side left again, swivel, and we're done. Well, we're gonna keep doing it. There we go, another one, and then over, and then swivel, back, replace, swivel. So that is going to be your drill for today.
A couple things we want to focus on, since this is a pretty simple drill. One is working the turnout off the feet. So the first is 10 steps to the side. The free foot, the left one, he's going to deliver that heel forward. Okay, so that's your turnout. Then as he replaces onto the left, he's going to turn that right heel forward so you can see the rotation. And then going back onto the right. Okay, so that's the first thing, the turnout. Let's see that again. So even when he starts, so his right heel is already forward. Yeah, as opposed to his right heel back, show them that, which is not a turned out position, yes? Okay, so he's gonna, yeah, right on. From there, and then he steps onto the right, left foot turns out, steps onto the left, right foot turns out, steps back on the right, left foot turns out. Nice. Do a swivel. Nice. You see both feet are turned out right now. He makes this beautiful V between his feetsies. Then he steps to the side. Again, you can see the free foot turns out, replace onto the right, and then replacing onto the left, working that turnout. So that's the first thing, okay? Yeah, that's for the turnout, numero uno. Second thing is hip action. So we do have a hip action tutorial that you can go nuts on. I'm gonna leave the link right there. You can click right there and also in the description below. And we give you more exercises for you to work your hip action. But really quick, hip action in the Cuban rocks, you will do the figure eight in a hip action. So standing leg circles the hip back. The minute you stand onto the right leg, you're gonna circle the right hip. Stand onto the left, circle left hip. Stand onto the right. Now you can do a swivel. Now you get ready to swivel that right hip around and then steps onto the left. And then hip action. Step onto the right, hip action. Step onto the left. Good. And then swivel. Nice. And stepping onto the right, keep it going. Hip action. Step, hip action. Step, swivel. Good. So let's put the two together.
Okay, so on that left foot is going to turn out like crazy as you drive off of it and step onto your right. Now, massive hip action on that right hip. Drive off that right foot, big pointy toe. And then we got a hip action on the left. That's it, change weight. Now just swivel, bam. Now we're ready for hip action with that left. Big giant rotation. That's it, point that left toe. Big rotation on the right side, point that right toe. Get on that left foot and you're going to swivel like crazy. Boom, right there. And then we're ready to roll again. Lots of energy.
Okay? So the last thing that we want to focus on is the swivel itself. Show them the swivel, Tytus.
So the swivel, you're here. You just want to swivel. Do not turn in your heels.
That's right.
Turn in your toes.
You can turn on your heel if it's a heel turn.
Or you're trying to break some rules.
Right. So turning on the ball of the foot, so your heel will just lift off slightly and it may not even be visible to the naked eye. So the swivel is really important because every time you change direction, you need to turn on that ball of foot and create the swivel before you change direction into your walk.
Yeah.
Okay? So we're making this a half a turn to change direction. So let's start with the Cuban rocks again. Going into the Cuban rocks and side, replace, and
right here.
Swivel, changing directions. Now he's ready to go. Good, swivel, good, and Cuban rock. Nice. Yeah. So the swivel in this instance is also And we have lots of tutorials on our YouTube channel. We're gonna leave some links in the description below if you're finding your balance is a little wonky during that. So those tutorials can help you out. And you can also get a hold of our Introduction to Spins course on our Dance Sandy website, which teaches you how to have great balance and how to spin, which is super important for any dancer.
That's right.
Oh, back to the lesson. So now we're going to focus on 3 things, which are
Turnouts, hip action, and swivel. And it is 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, turn 1, 2, 3, 4, turn 1, 2, 3, 4, turn 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, and 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1.
So in line dancing, there's so many different things to consider, right? You have your feet, your knees, your hip action, you have your rib cage, you have your arms, you have the music, the rhythm, the timing, the partner, your hairstyle. There's so much going on.
There's a lot.
Yeah, so in this particular tutorial, we just brought up 3 things. And to some of you, that may already be a lot of stuff to think about, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Might not though, but
Might not.
might. We don't really know for sure.
Yeah.
We're guessing.
And if it is a lot, then a good little tip that Tytus likes to use when dancing to music is
To hit that slow down button down in the corner there. You can go down and you can actually slow down the music. And what that does is it creates a rhythm, but you're going slow. So when you're learning to play a musical instrument, for example, use a metronome. Otherwise, you don't get any accuracy. So you want to use that same technique. And now that YouTube set it up for you, just go down there, slow it down 75% or
50%.
or 25%. And that way, you'll be dancing music like, but at least you can get the accuracy and do it slow enough to get more technique in there. So to full speed, it's like, how do I even get it in there? Don't just go full speed with music and then slow it down without a rhythm. If you slow it down without a rhythm, it might not really give you the technique you want, because you'll be dancing with, you'll just slow way down and then speed up a little bit. It's gonna be too non-accurate for getting the technique right in your body. So you want to maintain that metronomic quality to your learning process. So be sure to subscribe to our channel so you get the next video as soon as it comes out. Share this video with your dance friends so they get their technique correct, please. And we look forward to seeing you
In the next video.
Ciao.
Bye.
At the end of this lesson, we are also going to
Eat popcorn.
That's important. Go girl! What?
It's my birthday. It's my birthday. It was my birthday. Last week. It was my birthday last week.
Who cares? Anyway. So I care.
Line dancing is really hard.
It is really hard. Yeah, so what we're gonna do is de-hardify it for you at the end of this lesson.
You mean soften?
Yeah, we're gonna
Hard.
soften the hardness. That came out weird. But anyway, metronomic quality to your learning process.
Wow, that's such a big word for you.
That's the vocabulary.
Metronomic. That's such an astronomical word for
That's a
you.
vocabulary word of the week for me.
Is it even a word?
I don't know.
Metronomic.
I just made it up,
I think
maybe.
you just made it
I made that up. I don't know if I just made it up because I like to use it a lot. So maybe I made it
I
up a
have
long time ago.
never ever heard you use that word before.
Really?
So what do you mean you use it all the time?
I use it whenever I'm not talking to you. So I'll just be on a conversation with my mom. Metronomic, metronomic, metronomic. Oh, LiWen's coming home. Hi, Mom. You know, very low vocabulary abilities.
Yeah, I explain better. That's why he wants me to explain it.
We're going to be doing a cucaracha. Strike that. We're going to be doing, what are we doing?
He doesn't even even know.
I don't know what we're
Can't figure that out.
He's messing me up. Should we say something?